Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make Bedwars thumbnails. A great thumbnail is your first impression, so it needs to be eye-catching and informative. Focus on vibrant colors and clear, readable text to immediately grab viewers' attention. Incorporate a dynamic character or an exciting action shot to create visual interest. Most importantly, ensure your thumbnail clearly communicates that it's about Bedwars gameplay, setting accurate expectations for your audience. When designing, a clean layout is crucial to prevent clutter and enhance readability. Establish a strong focal point, perhaps a player in action or a prominent bed, to guide the viewer's eye. Use contrasting colors for your text and background. This makes your title pop and ensures it's easily visible even at a small size. Remember, clarity and impact are key in a small, clickable image. For practical creation, utilize powerful image editing software such as Photoshop or GIMP. These tools offer precise control over every element. Don't be afraid to experiment with various fonts and text effects to develop a unique brand identity. Applying subtle glow or outline effects can make your main elements stand out even more, adding that professional polish to your Bedwars thumbnail. To optimize your thumbnail, aim for a resolution of 1280 by 720 pixels. This standard size ensures crisp display across various platforms. Keep the file size under 2 megabytes for quick loading times, which is vital for viewer experience. Finally, always test different thumbnail variations. A /B testing helps you understand what resonates most with your audience, maximizing your click-through rates.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.